Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Let's understand about the anti-cancerous compound and their sources. So we will understand about their source, where it is present, where these all type of the compound are present, what is the source and what is the food. So we will understand and we will understand about all these things. So what is the anti-cancer compound, which that basically inhibit the cancer progression? Even it will not start the cancer progression. Basically it will not start the cancerous things like the oncogene activation. So basically study basically shows that this all compound is very important for inhibition of the cancer progression. If you are not cancerous person, so you can stop that and you will buffer the cancer formation. But if you are going within the cancerous stage, so you can buffer the cancer progression. So I hope you make sense about that. So basically what is a cancer? Cancer is an uncontrolled cell division which that basically damaged cell will proliferate and mature and differentiate, will lead to basically stage 4 of the cancer will lead to reside all, and it will distribute the cell whole body in the whole organ like the heart and the liver due to the angiogenesis formation, and that cell will enter into the blood circulatory system and reside in everywhere, will lead to cause death even. So remember, this is the stage 4, but you can prevent during the stage 2 and 1. So I hope you make sense about that. So what is the polyphenol? The polyphenol is the anti-cancer. So we will understand this type of polyphenol flavonoid. So here is a note. So I have written. So you can see in the screen. So polyphenol and flavonoids, terpenes, and the isothiocyanates and other compound we will discuss in this video. So first we will understand the polyphenol. Polyphenol mean the phenol which that's contain many. Poly mean many, phenol mean the phenol. So the phenol is a chemical name which that is basically ring-like structure. So the polyphenol mean the compound which that's contain more than two phenolic compound. So the quercetin is very important and the major. I will make the video separately about the quercetin. But anyhow, these quercetin are present in the apples, onion and garlic, inhibit the cell proliferation. So it will inhibit the cell proliferation, same again that thing. And this basically is the second one of the polyphenol compound is the resveratrol, which that is a major compound and which are present in the grapes, berries and peanuts, but also present in the red wine, regard to the Dr. Sinclair. But that is not good things, because the wine even it is the harmful. So it is basically it will damage your liver. Just think about that. If you not admit these things, but according to me, your liver will damage even the minor level of the alcohol, because it is the addiction, and unfortunately you will increase the dose. So that is problem. So don't use, but use the grapes and berries and peanut. Anti-inflammatory is that the basically is the it is anti-inflammatory resveratrol, and the anti-apoptotic. In this way, the basically it will anti-apoptotic. But remember one more important thing is that anti-apoptotic mean the apoptosis will not occur for the healthy cell, but apoptosis will occur for the unhealthy cell for clearance of the damaged cell, for prevention of the oncogenesis. The catechin, which the catechin are present in the green tea in the form of any type of green tea, but you should fix that and understand what is the green tea. So generally the green tea which that contain catechin. This also anti-angiogenic. So in this way, the anti-angiogenic mean where the cancer formation, so that it will inhibit the angiogenesis for the proliferation and the distribution of the cancer cell in everywhere. Pro-apoptotic. So in this way, basically it is pro-apoptotic mean the it is basically modified. For example, the cell in the next level will require the apoptosis for clearing of the damaged cell, but this is a pro-apoptotic. In this way, it will apoptose previous before the damage completely of the cell for ready to apoptosis. So the curcumin is the polyphenol also, which that is the turmeric. So it is turmeric is basically the compound which that is present in the curcumin. So that is why. Anyhow, so next is the flavonoids. The flavonoid is a different compound which that basically a different type. Let's understand about that. The kimphirol, which that is present in the tea, broccoli, spinach. Anti-inflammatory it is. So remember, the kimphirol is the anti-inflammatory and anti-angiogenic. So same thing is that. And apigenin is another compound which that is the class flavonoid, and it is present in the parsley, celery, and the chamomile, and it is basically anti-angiogenic. So remember, this is the anti-angiogenic. So apigenin is this anti-proliferative. So in this you think about that. Apigenin is the parsley, celery, and the chamomile, which that is the best source of the apigenin. So that it is anti-proliferative, and the pro-apoptotic are the same thing. And the next is the luteolin. So the luteolin is the luteolin which that is present in the thyme, rosemary, and the oregano, which that is basically you can buy from the grocery shop. So the anti-inflammatory it is, and the anti-proliferative. So same thing. And the third one is the terpenes. This terpenes is the basically the best compound is the limonene. So limonene is that which that is present in the citrus fruit. That is why it is known as the limos. It is come from the lemon. So it is the anti-proliferative, pro-apoptotic. So this is the pro-apoptotic and anti-inflammatory. So pro-apoptotic and the anti-proliferative. So anti-proliferative means the anti-inflammatory, and pro-apoptotic because the if pro-apoptosis will not occur, so it will inflammation. It will lead to cause inflammation. So the second one is the perily alcohol. So basically alcohol, which that is the cherries and the mint, which that present in the perily alcohol, and the anti-angiogenic it is. So basically terpenes are present in the citrus fruit and the cherries and mint. So for short to understand. And the isothiocyanates is the another compound which that is the anti-cancerous and present in several type of the food. Let's understand about the different type of the isothiocyanates. It is present in the sulforaphane, the broccoli, cauliflower, anti-proliferative, and the pro-apoptotic it is, and the indole 3-carbinol, which that is present in the cruciferous vegetables, anti-estrogenic, and the anti-proliferative. So same thing is that. Other compound is that which that is we will understand with a separate video, but I will get the review and I will show that things. EGCG, it is present in the green tea, and the anti-angiogenic and the pro-apoptotic it is. The genistein, which that is the genistein, which that is present in the soybeans, and it is same the anti-estrogenic it is, because the estrogen increase will lead to cause cancer, so it is anti-estrogenic. So the anti-proliferative also, and the capsaicin, which that is the capsaicin, it is present in the chili peppers. So remember, it is anti-apoptotic and pro-apoptotic. And the urosolic acid, which that are present in the apples, rosemary, and it is the anti-inflammatory and the anti-proliferative. So I hope you make sense. This is the review about the anti-cancer compound and their sources. So I hope you make sense about that. Easy to understand because I have notes so you can understand. So this is, you can prevent the cancer, 100% chance to prevent that cancer if you will get the healthy food with the ketogenic diet, fasting, and the exercise with good sleep. So you will not cause any type of cancer. But remember, if you have bad genetics, so you should more concentrate with the anti-cancer compound and use that to recover and prevent if you have cancer problem in your family. So remember about that things. See you in the next video. Fatih Sambai. Allah Hafiz.